New York City blizzard, the first snowstorm of the year. And who I got outside. Man, y'all see what it is, man. We still outside. Quick walk around it. See that? 392. Car look good in the snow, though. But it's not made for the snow. I got them all season Pirellis. I'm still gonna slide. You see that snow? Still gonna slide in the snow. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at the Scat Pack in the snow. One time for the one time. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Life with who? Might get less. And we out of here.